The ghouls and freaks are on the prowl. I need sweets and treats to stop my stomach growl. I haven't thrown a Halloween party in a minute. I want this to be one for the history books. You understand me? You know my Halloween queen will be throwing this party with me. I'll pick the best baking talent. I want dozens and dozens of treats. I want a fortress of fondant. Everything I do has to be big. Welcome to our tasty manor. Ready to make my Halloween nightmares a reality?
Halloween is one of my favorite holidays. Are you up to it?
Yes!
From BuzzFeed's Tasty, Alvin Zoe.
That is insane.
This is the most crazy baking kitchen I've ever been in.
It takes a lot to meet my expectations.
Boy, do I know. No more wasting time. Ready to have some fun? Oh, that's spooky.
Really creepy.
I'm just shocked that so much of this is edible.
Everything is edible.
Yeah.
Oh, get out of there, Alvin!
They got Snoop's fingers.
What is going on, man?
That is our chocolate gâteau.
Hold on. Let's see what this ghetto chocolate working with.
You said you wanted a party.
Snoop, you're slouching.
She's the only one that could train this dog. Can't wait for Snoop and Martha's very tasty Halloween.